It's an exciting day for Intel, our partners in the industry, and candidly it's something that probably you can only do once a decade or once a career, where you launch a product so revolutionary you think it'll really transform a market. This Xeon 7500 introduction today is again the biggest leap in performance in the history of Intel being in the Xeon market.
What really excites me about this is that now we're going to be able to take a lot of applications, very serious applications, that were previously only able to be run on really, really expensive class systems, and run those on very affordable Windows Server and Xeon-based systems.
I think what we're seeing in the industry is a true inflection point with both the operating system, the performance that we're seeing on the new Intel processors, with what we're doing from a reliability standpoint on Dell PowerEdge servers. This is the perfect time for customers to take advantage of all three of those coming together. When we talk to customers today about evaluating mission-critical vendors for running their higher-end databases, that discussion is really easy to have about Microsoft with Windows Server 2008. The new levels of scalability and availability features that are built into that really make customers feel comfortable about choosing Dell and Microsoft.
It's a much higher core count and a much higher thread count, and why that's important for things like database, like SQL Server. When you're supporting SQL Server workloads, certainly that's a mission-critical workload. There's an ability to move up and to scale up.
What we're seeing today in the marketplace is an arms race around technology and trading systems to enable firms get their orders to the market fast enough. So speed, reliability, timeliness, these low latency trading systems rely on these types of technologies to compete in this day and age.
With the introduction of the Intel Xeon 7500 microprocessor, we're delivering the largest leap in the history of us in the Xeon business. And with Windows Server 2008 R2 and Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2, we're delivering unprecedented scalability, reliability, and availability to the mission-critical market.
Well, what RAS stands for is reliability, availability, serviceability, and those are the things that customers really care about. And Intel has added a lot of capability to this Nehalem product, over 20 new RAS features, but the ability to actually have the customer see those features depends on Microsoft taking what's in the hardware and really implementing the right responses in the operating system.
We believe that it's time for something that we refer to as converged infrastructure. And what I mean by that is instead of having silos of different types of infrastructure such as servers, storage, networking, power cooling, and management, we think it should be managed as an integrated, unified whole.
What excites me about X5 and these new systems that we're announcing is what clients get out of it. They get the very best in performance. They get maximized memory, minimized cost, and simplified deployment. They get the opportunity to change the economics in their data center. IBM, Intel, and Microsoft deliver the very best in enterprise-class computing.
Intel and Microsoft have a common vision of democratizing high-end computing and bringing mission-critical computing to the mainstream. It's what's been fundamental in our over 20-year heritage together.